So this is the fourth video I am making for Android Recorder. Thank you very much for watching. It will just take a few minutes because I'm just implementing the media player here. You can see that, the media player and the player with the gray cover. It's just a few code. It's similar to our recorder code, so let's just copy this. If recorder is not equal to null, then recorder.release, let's copy it. Segment. Okay, where is it? Play button. Okay, let's place it below this play button set text play. Alright, and let's rename this to player. Same goes here, player. The reason I'm putting this code just like on the recorder, because if there's something going on the player, and this is the meaning of that, if there's something going on the player, we need to release that before playing anything else. So let's copy this, by the way, and paste it here for the stopping the player. Let's replace it stop. Okay, that should do it. And by the way, as you can see, the player is not colored gray anymore. That means this declaration is being used, because we just use the player here, so it's being used right now. We have 4 lines of code left to do, and that is refreshing the player, renewing the player. So let's put the player is equal to new media player. Okay, that's the thing. The second one is setting up the file. Our file is located here. Player dot set. Okay, data source. Let's copy the data source. This is the data source. So I need to explain this because if we click the play button, it will play the latest file we recorded. If you record something on your device using this app, or whatever you created using this app, it will play the most recent file that you created using this app. So that's the thing. Well, if you wanted me to make a specific file for that, you can comment down below, or you can just email me so I can make a separate video for that, and I will appreciate it. Okay, so the third line of code is I forgot, it's prepare. I'm sorry. And last thing is start. Let's save, and let's see if it will gonna work. Hello everyone. I encountered some problem on my visor. For those who don't know, visor is an application that produce an output video here of an actual Android device. So basically I have an actual Android device that was connected here on my laptop, and what visor do is produce a small screen here, and what my screen on my Android device, it will show here. So in short, I'm installing the application we made and install it on the Android device, and I'm showing here on my desktop what is the result if we build the application. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. You can just comment down below, or you can send your email if you have any suggestions or something. You can just do that. By the way, I have some videos to come. I will have the part 5 of this video, and the topic there is about a special permission. So if you following my topic from part 1 to up here, you might encounter some problems with the permission, because some of the Android device, some Android device will not work on the application we just made, because it needs some special permission from Marshmallow version, Android version 6 up to the latest. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time.